Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, July 10th, 2023. It is 6:50 and 36 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Quasar clocks. So let's jump to it here. Quasar clocks show universe was 5 times slower soon after the Big Bang. Observational data from nearly 200 quasars show Einstein correct, again, about time dilation of the cosmos. Date July 3rd, 2023. Source, University of Sydney. Quasars are the supermassive black holes at the centers of hurtling galaxies. Scientists have unlocked their secrets to use them as clocks to measure time near the beginning of the universe. Einstein's general theory of relativity means that we should observe a distant and hence ancient universe running much slower than the present day. However, peering back that far in time has proven elusive. Scientists have now cracked that mystery by using quasars as clocks. Looking back to a time when the universe was just over 1 billion years old, we see time appearing to flow 5 times slower. If you were there in this infant universe, 1 second would seem like 1 second, but from our position, more than 12 billion years into the future, that early time appears to drag. Astronomers observed data from nearly 200 quasars, hyperactive, supermassive black holes, at the centers of hurtling galaxies, to analyze this time dilation. Thanks to Einstein, we know that time and space are intertwined, and since the dawn of time and the singularity of the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding. As this expansion of space means that our observations of the early universe should appear to be much slower than time flows today, astronomers have established that back to about 1 billion years after the Big Bang. And previously, astronomers had confirmed this slow motion universe back to about half the age of the universe using supernova, massive exploding stars, as standard clocks. While supernovas are exceedingly bright, they are difficult to observe at the immense distances needed to peer into the early universe. And by observing quasars, this time horizon has been rolled back to just a tenth of the age of the universe, confirming that the universe appears to speed up as it ages. Whereas supernovae act like a single flash of light, making them easier to study, quasars are more complex, like an ongoing firework display. What they have done is unravel this firework display, showing that quasars too can be used as standard markers of time for the early universe. Astronomers examine details of 190 quasars observed over 2 decades, combining observations taken at different colors or wavelengths, green light, red light, and into the infrared. They are able to standardize the ticking of each quasar. And through the application of astronomers' analysis, they found that the expansion of the universe imprinted on each quasar's ticking. With these exquisite data, they were able to chart the tick of the quasar clocks, revealing the influence of the expanding space. As these results further confirm Einstein's picture of an expanding universe, but contrast earlier studies that had failed to identify the time dilation of distant quasars. As these earlier studies led people to question whether quasars are truly cosmological objects, or even if the idea of expanding space is correct. With these new data and analysis, however, they've been able to find the elusive tip of the quasars, and they behave just like Einstein's relativity predicts. And this is the Professor of Astronomy, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.